Welcome back again, guys. Guys, get ready for another exciting moment with me right here at Nextlands. And don't forget, I remain your one and only Olawale Yusuf. Today, we're going to be talking about how to create a free VPS. How to create a VPS for free, guys. You want to create a VPS to be able to use your forex. Some of you who are interested in doing forex, you want to create a VPS so you can actually trade forex in peace, like you're in the United States or you're in the UK or whatever country you want it to be. Okay, this is it. You need to create this, and I'm going to be teaching you how to create it for free. I mean, there's a whole lot of website will create VPS for you guys for $30, $100, $300. But this, I'm going to be teaching you how to create this for free. Guess what, guys? $0. The only thing you need to do is to have a minimum of $1 in your card just for verificational purposes. However, they're not going to deduct it, and sometimes if they deduct it, they're going to return it back to you in less than 48 hours. Now, today, this is going to be very simple and very fast, okay? But don't forget, hit the subscribe button, guys. Smash the bell icon so whenever I drop crazy, beautiful videos like this, you'll be one of the first few people to get started. Now, let's get started right away. Okay, first, so I already have this particular account. I'm going to be teaching you how to get into this account. But before that, let's learn how to create the VPS first. So after learning how to create this VPS, then I'm going to teach you how to create this particular Amazon account. Now, this is the account, this is the home page of this particular account. So all you have to do is to come here. Look right here, we have Virginia, and Virginia, that's like the location of the VPS, whatever you want the VPS to be. This is how you change the location. So this is already in North Virginia. So if I want in a different a different state, I think we have Ohio right here, we have North California, we have Oregon. So I could just choose any of this. Okay, and sometimes if you want in another country, for example, look at this Asia Pacific. We have Mumbai, which is obviously that's India. Osaka, this is I think this is Japan. And Seoul, this is it North Korea or South Korea? And this is Singapore, this is Sydney, this is also Tokyo, and this is Canada right here, you can see. And we've got Europe, Frankfurt, I think this is Germany also. And this is Ireland, this is London, this is Paris, this is Stockholm. I think Stockholm is also in the UK. And this is South America, so Polio, that's like Brazil or something. You can see they've got this in almost any country. Just choose anyone you want. But today we're going to be creating in the United States. So of course I'm just going to be choosing, let's just choose California. Okay, so I'm going to be choosing California. So I'm going to wait for it to actually select the one that belongs to California. Then after that we're going to go ahead and create this VPS. Now hold on, guys, sorry about the network issue. Network has been acting out lately, so this video might be a little bit slow because of the network, but please bear with me. Okay, guys, if you're just joining us for the first time, I remain your one and only Olawale Yusuf, and this is Nextlands. Please feel free to hit the subscribe button, smash the bell icon, give us a thumbs up, share, so that more people can get to see our videos. Now, you're going to come over here where it says services, okay? You're going to click on it, then you're going to come down here and look for something called ERC. Don't worry if you don't see it, you just click all services. Click on all services right here. Then you're going to come right here and go over to where we're going to E. This is D, A, B, C, D, then this is E. Now this is where we're going. You can see this E, C2. That's where we're going, and you see the one that says virtual server in the cloud under it. Then we're going to click this particular one. Now let's wait, let it load up. So once it loads up, then we're going to go ahead and create our VPS, guys. This is plain simple. I'm just going to teach you how to do it plain simple and easy. Not hard. Okay, now this is it. This is the cloud interface. Now all you want to do is to go ahead and launch instance. The VPS on this platform is called an instance. So you're just going to come right here where it says launch instance. Then you're going to click launch instance. Okay, don't make a mistake, guys. Click launch instance. Now let's click on launch instance and see. Okay, so now you want to name your VPS. You want to give it a name. Give it any name you want. It doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to give it a test name. Let's say test 1. So that's the name I'm going to give it. Then you're going to come down here and choose window. Of course, you want a window because VPS is more like you having a laptop in the cloud somewhere in a different country. Okay, so we're going to choose a window. Why am I choosing the Windows? Because, well, Windows is the only laptop I think I'm familiar with and know everything about it. So I'm not really going to be selecting anyone else. I love the window, so the window interface is straightforward. Now I select the window, then I come down here, keep going. I don't need to touch anything right here, just leave it the way it is. Then we'll come down here, right here. Here also, it's okay, just leave it the way we. But if you feel you are more of a techie person, you could just click this over button, then scroll down, check every other options that are available. But make sure that whatever it is you select has this free tile eligibility on. You can see this has this free tile something on it. Whatever it is you select has the free tile stuff on it. So it doesn't really matter whatever, I don't know. Now let's come down right here. Right here where we have the key pair, you need to have a key pair, but since you're creating the account for the first time, I already have a VPS on this particular account. So if I select here, it's going to tell me that I need to just put in my key pair or something, but I already have one, so I'm not going to be using the one I have. Okay, I'm just going to be creating a new one because of you guys, because you don't have one when you're just creating your account. It's purely new. So we're going to come right here and create a new key pair. Then just going to give it a name. Let's just give it also a test. Let me say test one so I can know it. Then make sure you don't touch this. It's going to be here, it's going to be in RSA, and here it's going to be in .pem. So just leave it the way it is and come down here and click create key pair. Okay, now that has been created and you can see it's downloaded right here into your computer. Now we'll get back here, scroll down, then leave this where it is. If it's not tick, go ahead and tick it. Allow RDP traffic from everywhere, from anywhere you can see. Make sure it's tick and make sure this is in anywhere. Then scroll down, leave this the way it is, then scroll down, then come right here and click launch instance. It's pretty easy, guys. It's not that hard. Then wait for some minute and let this loads up. It's not gonna take a lot of time. It's just gonna be some couple of minutes. Good. Now it just loads up. Okay, so now it loads up. We're gonna come right here. Look at this, right here, where it's some bunch of numbers and alphabets. I'm just gonna click on it. What it's gonna do is gonna take me to the instance we just created, the exact one. Okay. So let's hold on. Let's take us to the exact instance. Network is kind of slow, but we're getting there. It's just going to be a little bit slow, but we're going to get there. Okay, now we have the instance. Now, there's one more thing to do. We want to come right here, make sure this says running. Then we want to come straight to the front right here. This status check, you want to make sure it's you want to make sure this initializing change to something else, change to like checked or something. So we're gonna have to wait for it to change. That's just gonna take like some couple of minutes, like 2-3 minutes, and I guess that's all. So you could just come right up here, look at this where this states, then you click on it. What this does is that it refreshes. Every time you click on this, it refresh. So what I'm doing is whenever I click on this, it refresh automatically. So I'm going to be checking this. I'm just going to pause the video for a few minutes, then I'm going to come back and click on this and make it refresh so I can see if it's okay. Then we go ahead and finish the creation process. Okay guys, so you can see right here it has changed from initializing to 2/2 checked pass. Now that's what I've been waiting for. Now we are ready to check this instance and get started. Now look at it right here. We're gonna come here and click and check this box. So once this box is checked, then all we have to do is to come over right here to this action where it says actions. Then we want to click connect because we want to connect to this particular instance, but it's not compulsory you click connect right here. You could just come right here and click connect also. It's still the same thing. Okay, now it brought you right here. Then we want to come here and click this RDP client because this is where you get the login details for you to connect. Okay, now let's this is where we're gonna need the PEM file we saved, the one we saved into our laptop earlier. We're going to need it right here to get our password. This is we need three login details. Okay, we need one which is the public DNS. This is this. Then we need this, which is the username. Then we need the password. But in order for us to get the password, we need the particular file that we saved earlier. So we're gonna come right here and click get password. Okay, here it asks us to upload our private key, which is the file we saved that time. Remember the key pair we saved. So I'm just gonna come here and click upload key file. Then I'm gonna go ahead and select this. You can see test, the one I saved the other time. So you can see it brought it out automatically. Then I'm gonna click decrypt password. Okay, so after clicking decrypt password, we already have the password right here. So in order for me to not misplace this, I'm just gonna go ahead and save all this. But before that, I'm gonna go ahead and save it. Give me some minutes, guys. Okay guys, so now let's log in. We're going to log in so you can confirm that this is definitely working. So if you want to use it to create a PayPal account, you want to use it to create maybe Intel Zoom, or you want to use it to create a Forex account, you want to use it to start trading Forex, or whatever it is you want to use it for, you can be sure that it works. Now you want to go to your laptop. For those of you that don't know how to log into a VPS, you want to go over to your laptop and search for remote desktop connection. As you can see, it's already here, and that's because I use it a lot. But I'm just gonna come right here and type remote. You can see right here, remote desktop connection. So we're gonna click this remote desktop connection, and you're gonna be able to put in your details right here. Okay, so once it's on your laptop, this place should be clean. It should be clean like this. It's because I have lots of logins that I use right here. That's why there's one there already. So I just clean it off. Now let's log in. The first, we're going to be using this. This is the public DNS. It's what we're going to type in first. Don't make a mistake, guys. We're going to type in first where it says the computer. Then we're going to hit connect. Now we wait. Sometimes it takes longer, and that's because of network. Oh, this is just because of network. Now let's try again. I believe this is just because of some network issues, so let's try again. Network is acting out lately, so just gonna try again. Okay, good. Now we need to put a username and password. So I'm gonna come right here. This is the username, which is the administrator. It's username. Username administrator. Then password. We're gonna come back right here and click this password. Then we're gonna put it right here. Then I like to click remember me. Why? So that I don't have to enter my password over and over again. You know, it's so stressful trying to enter this over and over again. So it's very, very stressful. So I wouldn't want to do that. Okay, now we click yes. Then we wait for it to log in. It's pretty easy, guys. In few of my previous videos, I'm sure you guys have seen me log into this RDP because I use it for a lot of videos, mostly about Intel Zoom, about the paper. I use my RDPs. Not this particular one, I just created this for this purpose of this video. However, I use more different kinds of RDP in my past video tutorials. Okay, now this RDP is just launching for the first time. That's why it's taking a whole lot of time. Then after it's finished launching, you're gonna see it's just like we entering into a new computer. Okay, the difference is that this particular computer is located in the location we set, which is like located in California, which is pretty cool. This is different from you using a VPS or using a whatever. We're using a VPN rather, using a VPN or whatever it is you call it. VPN is so crazy these days. Once you use a VPN, most companies have the ability to detect they are using VPN. So it's like you're stressing yourself. As you can see, this is like a plain desktop. This is a new laptop entirely. So what I have to do is to use whatever it is I want to use. It's got a Microsoft Edge, but most times I like to download a Chrome because I'm familiar with Chrome. I like to download Chrome, so I use my Chrome to browse. But now you have your laptop, so all you have to do is to come to this Microsoft Edge and do whatever it is you want to do your thing and get started. That's just it. Pretty easy, right? Okay, now before I teach you how to go ahead and create this particular account, before you can create the VPS, of course you know you have to create an account before you can create the VPS, isn't it, guys? Okay, before I go ahead to teach you how to create this Amazon account, before you can now create the VPS, now go ahead, smash that subscribe button, guys. Smash it. Come on, hit the bell icon. And of course, share this video. Give me a thumbs up. Share this video so that more people could see this video and benefit for it. Come on. Don't you want to benefit alone? Let more people be able to benefit from this video, okay? Now, let's go ahead and create this account newly and how to create it for free, okay? We already have this account, so I'm going to be creating a new one. Now, let's go over to another. Okay, right here. I want to use this mail. That's why I created this email. It's a new one. So all you need is an email and probably a phone number of your country. So then you want to go to this particular website called aws.amazon.com. aws.amazon.com. I'm gonna drop the link in the description below, so don't worry if you can't get this. Don't worry, it's no big deal. Now we want to create an account here. We're gonna come down here and say where it says get started for free. I'm gonna click it and we're gonna create an account. Sorry, my network is taking a whole tons this time around. I don't know why. Then want to come down here and select create a free account. Okay. Now let's hold on. Now it says free trial. It says 12 months for free, and it says always free. Now what it's trying to say right here is that if you don't use more, if you're not really using the VPS like that, you could get it to be always free. But if you're using it like that, then probably it's just gonna be like for a month or 2 months or 3 months. Guys, all you just have to do is to use it for something not so huge. If you're not using it for forest, then you gotta be ready to pay after like 2 months. But if you're using it for just maybe Intel Zoom, PayPal, and just kind of subtle stuff, you don't even have to pay like for a year. I haven't paid a dime since I've been using my VPS. I haven't paid a dime. Now I want to come right here and put in email. Then we're gonna put in our name right here. So I'm just gonna go over and copy my email. Okay, I come right here, put in my email. Then I come right here, put in my name. Okay, it says there shouldn't be any space or something, so just put one of your name, not both. Okay, now I'm expecting a verification code to the mail. So let's just check the mail for verification code. Okay, right here it's there. And I'm just gonna copy right here and verify, and successfully verified. So now I want to create a password. Okay. Okay, now I want to click continue. Then we want to wait. Okay, now right here, guys, it's going to ask you to select if you're more like a business person or just for personal, your own project or something, guys. I recommend you choosing personal, but if you choose business, there's no big deal. Okay, it's just that sometimes you get to they get to ask you for some verifications that you might not be able to provide. So just choose for personal projects, no big deal. Then come right here and put in your name. Then come down right here and put in your number. You can see it's US that is here. Just come here and change it to your particular country. I'm a Nigerian, so I'm going to be putting Nigeria right here, so I can put in my Nigerian number right here. Then country region, I'm going to put Nigeria since I am in Nigeria, so there's no big deal. I'm going to put in my address right here. Okay, I'm going to put in my city. I'm going to put in my state. Then I'm going to put in my postal code. So my number, let's go back to my number. I'm gonna put in number right here. Hold on guys, let me just put in my number and we can move forward. Okay, so I omitted the first zero in the front, as you can see, because we already have plus 234 here. Then we don't have to put the first zero. Okay, so that's just it. Then I think the number is complete right here. Okay, it's complete. Okay, so I guess that's all. Then we're just gonna come back here and click I have read the agreement and terms and agreement. But you could come right here and read these terms of agreement. Okay, I've read it like 2-3 times, so I don't need to read it over again. So just click continue. That's me, but you should probably read it. There's a lot to learn. Okay, your billing country is Nigeria. Then we're just going to come back here and put in our credit card details, expiry details, blah blah blah, and we're going to click verify. But before we do that, I'm just going to block this thing up, guys. Guys, give me a minute. Let me put in my details, and we're going to be back. Okay, so guys, I filled in my details. Then I'm just going to come right down here and click verify. Continue and verify. I already filled in my card details. So now we want to get a text message. Don't forget the number we put in the other time. Still come back down here, put in your Nigeria if you're from Nigeria, or from anywhere you're from. I'm currently from Nigeria, so I'm going to put in Nigeria right here. Then I'm going to put in the mobile number I put in the other time, guys. Don't forget. Then we're going to put in the security check. Let's see. That's SX or M or B or double C. And we're going to click send SMS. Okay, so now we wait. So once the code arrives, we're just going to put in the code and we are done. Okay guys, so I put in the code and we are right here. Now this is the last step. Now you want to leave it at this basic support which stays free. You want to leave it right here, and we're going to come down right here and click complete sign up. So what it's going to do after we click this complete sign up is that it's going to go ahead and verify your card details. So you want to make sure your card is verifiable. If it's not verifiable, the details, the confirmation is not going to go through. Okay, now congratulations, thank you for signing up from Amazon AWS. We're activating your account. We should take a few minutes. You're going to receive a mail when this is complete. So of course you're going to get a mail from Amazon when it's complete. Now let's go back and check our mail. Sometimes it takes longer. It takes longer than this. Oh, this is fast. Okay, so this time around everything comes very fast, but sometimes it takes longer. So if you didn't get this particular mail that say your Amazon Web Service account is ready, if you didn't get it immediately the way I get mine, don't panic. Okay, don't panic guys, don't panic. Just take a chill pill, wait a little bit. You're definitely gonna get it. So sometimes you're just going to get like just one mail, like just this. Then you're going to be getting this two later after like 20 minutes or 30 minutes. So it's no big deal. But whenever you get this particular one, then the account is ready. So all you have to do is to follow the step I taught you earlier. Just follow the step, come right here to this place and select the country, so region you want to choose. You want to select California, you want to select anywhere in the United States, UK, or whatever you want. You can see right here West Virginia, anyone, just select which whatever you use and go ahead and create the VPS like I said. Guys, thank you for watching this video to the end, and don't forget, hit the subscribe button, smash the bell icon, share this video with your friends and family so more people could view our videos, and of course I'll be so happy to drop more videos for you guys. And don't forget, this is not a goodbye guys, but it's a good day.